Warehouse robotic technologies like robotic pickers, automated storage and retrieval systems, and vertical lift modules are great tools for high-volume operations, but often companies are unable to utilize robotics effectively because they don't have item dimensions or shapes. Instead, companies underutilize bins or totes used to store items. The challenge is most companies struggle to capture accurate dimensions of their items, so maximizing bin and tote utilization in automated warehouses becomes difficult to achieve. That changes with QBOID. QBOID can accurately capture dimensions so that automated storage and retrieval systems and vertical lift modules can be effectively utilized, and a full return on investment realized rapidly. This and many other workflows are supported in a powerful, easy-to-use, and cost-effective handheld device.